If you're a transaction coordinator, right now you are calculating deadlines by hand, building drive folders manually, and rewriting the same reminder email you've already written 200 times. That's 55 minutes per deal. This is CloseTrack. Every deal, every deadline, every status. One tab, no switching, no searching. And this, your triage view. Every deadline across every deal, sorted by urgency, automatically. Red means act today. You know exactly where to start. Watch how fast this works. I paste in a new deal, address, client, state. I type the contract date. 5 seconds later, 5 deadline dates. Calculated, instantly. Inspection, financing, appraisal, closing. What used to take 15 minutes of calendar math? 2 seconds. Update status in 1 click. Active, pending, closing soon. Your pipeline reflects reality, always. 1 click. Create drive folders. Google Drive opens? Deal folder created, named automatically. 4 subfolders inside. Contracts, inspection docs, compliance, closing docs. The link drops directly into your pipeline row. 5 minutes of manual folder setup? 3 seconds. I tick this checkbox. Push to calendar. 4 color-coded events appear in Google Calendar. Each one has a 24-hour reminder, already set. Gmail drafts, earnest money reminder, inspection nudge, closing notification. Client name, property address, dates, all filled in. You read it, you click send. That's the entire job. What used to take 55 minutes per deal now takes under 3 seconds. 15 deals a month? That's 14 hours back, every month. At your hourly rate, CloseTrack pays for itself on your very first deal. This is what your week looks like when the admin handles itself. No sticky notes, no calendar math, no rewriting the same email. Just deals closing. CloseTrack. $29 one time. WhatsApp support? Link is right below this video.